Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Microwaving eggs in the shell can be safe if you follow a water bath method and basic precautions. Never microwave an uncracked egg exposed to air. Eggs can explode and cause burns. Use a microwave-safe deep bowl and place eggs in a single layer, then add cold tap water to cover by 1 inch. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt per cup of water to help prevent rupture and improve heat transfer. And set a microwave-safe lid or plate on top to contain any. Place 2 large eggs in the prepared bowl and cover with water by 1 inch. Seal the bowl with a microwave-safe plate. Microwave at 50% power for 4 minutes, then immediately let the bowl sit in the microwave, still covered, for 4 minutes of carryover cooking to finish the yolks. For each additional egg, add about 30 seconds of 50% power time before the covered rest. After resting, carefully remove the bowl and test 1 egg. Yolks should be firm but not overcooked. When the rest period is complete, immediately transfer eggs with a slotted spoon into an ice bath of equal parts ice and cold water for at least 5 minutes to stop cooking and set the texture. Peel eggs under running water. Start at the large end, where a small air pocket often forms, and ease the shell away in pieces to minimize membrane sticking. Store peeled or unpeeled hard eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, and label with the date to ensure freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.